Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by checking essentials and initiating the cast. Plug the Chromecast or dongle into the monitor's HDMI and power it. Once powered, switch the monitor to that HDMI input. On your phone or laptop, enable Wi-Fi and join the same network as the Chromecast. This allows device discovery. Open the casting-capable app or the browser's cast option to start searching for devices. Do this now so the source and monitor can negotiate a connection without delay. Once done selecting inputs, you establish the actual stream. Open the app or Chrome and choose Cast, then pick the Chromecast device shown. Select what you want to share, an app, a browser tab, or the entire desktop, because each has different latency and quality trade-offs. If a pairing code appears on the monitor, confirm it on your source to secure the link. Make sure to allow any permission prompts for screen or audio capture so the stream can begin cleanly. You now finalize the connection and optimize performance. Check display settings on your computer to match the monitor resolution, and use casting quality controls in the app to improve clarity. If the monitor shows a black screen or the Chromecast fails to appear, restart the router, unplug and replug the dongle, or reboot the source device. This clears network or handshake problems. A key troubleshooting tip: switch to a wired adapter or reduce bitrate when Wi-Fi congestion causes stutter or high latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.